What's up YouTube? It's Winstoney coming back to you guys for the holidays. Guys, it has been 3 whole months since I have made a video. It's been 3 months since I posted a video, alright? Because I made videos in the 3-month span, but I just haven't posted them because I just become, I don't know. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do with me, guys? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Alright, my New Year's resolution, honestly, is to be more consistent with making videos. And I put some things in place to kind of help me with that. So I will become more consistent, guys. I mean that when I said this time. I know I've said that in the past, but I mean it this time. I'm bringing to you a twist out video. I filmed this video about a couple weeks ago about me doing a twist out, and I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, I made a post about me filming this video and the twist out came out bad. Like, it was a disaster. I don't know. It's different doing a twist out with longer hair than it is with shorter hair, especially when your hair is semi-halfway texturized and semi-halfway natural, which is where my hair is. It didn't come out as good as I wanted it to come out, and so I didn't post the video. But I ended up redoing it like a few days later, and I'm kind of happy with the results again. It came out okay. I'm gonna stop talking and just show you guys what I did. So without further ado, here is my twist out and the steps that I did to create my twist.
So I've already washed and combed out my hair. First thing I will be doing is making my hair damp with water, which makes the twisting process a lot easier. Next, I'm going to be applying Aunt Jackie's In Control moisturizing and softening conditioner to my hair to help with the twisting process. Then I'm going to separate my hair into 2 sections just to make things a little more easier and to make the twisting process a little more organized. So to twist my hair, I'll be using Aunt Jackie's Frizz Patrol setting mousse. So what I do for the most part is I just lather up the strand with the setting mousse, and I just take one hand to twist the strand and I use the other hand to pretty much just keep it tight at the roots. You want to make sure your hair stays damp while you're twisting, so as I twist, I periodically spray my hair with water to make sure that it stays damp. As you can see, this is optional, but if you want to, you can start using clips once you continue with the twisting process. If other twists get in the way, it just makes it a lot more easier, especially if you're doing your own twists. You can also use the clips to hold the twists in place to keep them tight while they dry. So about halfway through the twisting process, I realized the twists weren't staying as tight as I wanted them to stay. So I started using the Eco Styler gel just to apply to the root of the twist so that they can keep their hold. So once you're done twisting, it's okay if you still see product in your hair. It will dry after a while. Now I'm going to use a blow dryer on the low heat setting to help with the drying process. Once I was done drying them, I didn't take them out right away. I put my hair in a satin bonnet and took them out the next morning. So this is me separating them the next day. You pretty much just want to go down the middle and separate them into two. As you can see, you can still see a little product in there, but that could be easily wiped away. And this is how it looks fully twisted out. It kind of looks a little dry right now. I do go in and put some moisturizer in there just so it will look a little more lively, but this is pretty much the final results and how it looks when I untwisted all of the twists.
It's like a shaggy, it's giving me like a frizzy, shaggy vibe, like a very beach surfer, almost like freeform dreads type of look. Like I said, I hadn't put a texturizer in my hair in a while, probably like 4 months. So my hair was going through like a pretty much a transition stage of being natural and texturized. As you can see, my roots were more natural, and then towards the end of my hairs were coily. It came out very coily, so it gave it that natural slash texturized look. Tell me in the comments below, do you guys like the way this twist out came out? If you guys have any questions, email me, askwinstoni@gmail.com. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because I will be posting the giveaway updates on Instagram. On my Instagram, follow me @thewinstoni, and I'll see you guys in my next video.